In this video, I'll show you how to clone your voice in ElevenLabs. So you'll have to go and open elevenlabs.com or .io actually, and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you are here in the home screen, as you can see, make sure you're not anywhere else. If you are, just go and click on home. Here you should find create or clone voice. Only you'll have to click on clone your voice. So once you do so, you have here voice design, which is design entirely new voice from a text prompt, or instant voice clone, which you will have to clone your voice with only 10 seconds of audio. And you have here professional voice clone, but you'll have to subscribe to get this plan. Of course, you can also use a voice remixing. For us, I'm just going with the instant voice clone. And here you have two options. Either you upload something from your PC that you already have or wherever you're using, that has, of course, your voice, or you can click on record audio. So for me, I'm going to click on record audio. I'm going to enable my microphone. And here, I'm going to click on allow. And I'm going to click on start and start talking. So 3, 2, 1. So hi, this is me. And I'm trying here to clone my voice using ElevenLabs. I hope this is fine. And I just want to finish as example 10 seconds or more little bit so it can clone my voice correctly. You'll have to note that if you finish 30 seconds, it's going to be better to better understand your voice and clone it better. And if you do have this background noise detected, make sure to lower the background noise or something like that so it can be corrected. For me, I'm using another microphone. So as you can see, I finished like the whole 30 seconds. And you can remove the background noise from audio recording. And here I'm ready. I'm just going to click on next. If you want to record more, make sure to click on start again if you didn't like what you're hearing as example here. So for me, I like it. So I'm just going to click on next. It's ready. And you'll have to give it a name. For me, I'm going to name it myself. And here you can preview your voice. And you'll be able to hear your voice. So you can label it, give us an example language. And so what language do you want? Of course, for us, it's English, so I'm going to keep it English. For you, if it's another language, choose that. You can add a description, and you can add other labels, like, for example, the accents, the age, gender, if you want to, or you can remove it. So then you'll have to check this option that I verbally confirm that I have all necessary rights or consent to upload and clone these voice samples, and that I will not use the platform-generated content for any illegal and fraudulent or harmful purposes. So you don't have the consent to use it for something bad. And I reaffirm my obligation to abide by ElevenLabs terms of service, prohibited content and use policy, and privacy policy. If you didn't check that, you'll not be able to clone it. So once you're done, click on save voice, and here you are. So you can upgrade your clone voice if you want to. For me, I don't want to. So I'm just going to keep it as it is. And it seems like we have to pay. So we have to pay to use this, not to create it, it seems. But anyway, you'll be able to use 30 minutes of audio generation per month. If you're going with the starter plan, you have creator plan to get 2 hours, pro 10 hours, 30 hours with scale, and business 100 hours. And of course, the price will go more. So you'll need to use your clone voice, you'll need to upgrade your plan. But as I said, this is to use it. If you want to create it, you already created it. You will just have to save it and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's how you basically create your voice or clone your voice in ElevenLabs. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.